moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sylvia, Iroquois. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you are in the path of this storm,